Auto Generate Barcode in Google Sheets. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page is ready, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file where you want to work. Take a moment to observe the sheet and decide where you want to place the barcode table. Next, click the first column cell in the top row to create a header. Type product code as the title for the first column. Then move to the next column in the same row and type barcode as the second column title. Adjust the column width if necessary so the headers are easy to read. After setting up the headers, click the first cell under the product code column. Enter a unique product code number and press Enter to confirm the value. Continue entering several different product codes in the rows below. Make sure each product code is unique so that each item will have its own barcode. Now click the first cell under the barcode column. Move your cursor to the formula bar and type the equal symbol to begin writing a formula. After that, type a quotation mark, a star symbol, and another quotation mark. Then type the ampersand symbol. Click the first cell that contains the product code so that the cell reference appears in the formula. After the reference appears, type another ampersand symbol. Then type a quotation mark, a star symbol, and another quotation mark again. Press Enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. You will notice that the product code now appears in the barcode column surrounded by star symbols. Click the cell that contains the formula again. Then drag the small square handle at the bottom of the cell downward. Continue dragging until you reach the last row that contains a product code. Google Sheets will automatically copy the formula and display each product code in the barcode column with the same star pattern. Next, select all cells under the barcode header and highlight the entire column of barcode data. Move your cursor to the font selection menu in the toolbar and change the font to Libre Barcode 39. You will observe that the text instantly changes into barcode graphics. Finally, adjust the column width and row height and confirm that every barcode is clearly visible and properly generated.